Hi, it's Kathy Ireland, brand ambassador for American Family Insurance, here to give you my top design tips for playing with color when designing your home. Number 1, don't be afraid of bold colors. A pop of color can really give your space an eye-catching look. If you typically stick to neutrals, integrate color with a single statement piece, like an accent chair or a vibrant portrait. Tip 2. Find colors, textures, and tones that resonate with you. What color comes to mind when you think of relaxation and peace? Try bringing that color to a room that calls for rest and restoration, like your bedroom. Please don't feel limited by what's trending right now. Go with what you love, even if it's unpopular. Your space should always be exactly that, yours. Lastly, remember that color wheel in art class? Don't forget to utilize one. Remembering complementary coloring and contrasting colors can help add intentional, curated design to your space while being deliberate about what colors go where. That's all for now. For more home inspiration and tips, please visit amfam.com for resources to inspire and protect your dream home. Thank you.